Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Airline Credit Amex Platinum. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. And watch till the very end because I'm going to give you a bonus of where you cannot use it, so stay tuned. First, you can use it for checked baggage fees. You can also use it for overweight or oversized baggage fees. Suppose you need some extra or the size limit was, let's say, 20 kg, but you have 25 kg, so you can use your card to cover that. You can also change fees. You can do phone reservation fees. You can also do pet flight fees. You can also have airport lounge day passes and annual memberships, which is a huge plus point. You can have the seat assignment fees. You can also pay for the in-flight amenity fees, which include beverages, food, pillows, blankets. You can also pay for in-flight entertainment fees, excluding wireless internet. Now, what you cannot use it is fees charged to other card accounts. So let's say you did something with another card. Now you cannot pay for it using the platinum one. You have to pay for it using that card only. And then charges that aren't separate from airline ticket payment. For example, you may pay to select seats when purchasing a ticket, but they may not trigger the credit. So be careful of that. Fee is not charged by the card member's airline of choice. It could be by another airline, so they are not responsible for this one. Incidental air travel fees, and then airline tickets, any kind of upgrades, mileage points transfer fees, gift cards, duty free purchases, and award tickets. These are not allowed. So this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.